Hi guys, welcome back to the Vanity. So today what we're going to talk about is a new product. It's by a company called Qyk Sonic. They did send it to me. It's a 3-in-1 beauty cleansing device. So I'm going to just go ahead and get into it and tell you my thoughts on the product. Okay, so this is the box that it came in. It says Qyk Sonic on it. It's pretty sturdy. And then this is the item inside. This is called their Zoe. It is a 3-in-1 cleansing device. Quickly, I just want to touch on the box. It comes very well packed. This has a little magnetic closure at the bottom. They do have, I believe, 5 colors. Yes. So your box, I believe, comes matching the color that you chose. And then Zoe sits in here like this. I believe this had like a little clear plastic thing. And if you flip this down, there's a little baggie in here. You can store your device in it like this. And then it also just comes with your little charger. Now it doesn't come with a plug, but you can use anything that has like a USB because it's a USB to a micro USB. I believe that's what the terminology on that is. But that is the box. It also comes with an authenticity card, and then behind here is like your user manual. So this is Zoe, again, that retails for $149. It is made by a company based out of Irving, California. I do believe they launched this internationally in 2017, at the end of 2017. So the cleansing massaging part would be on this side where you have your power on and your plus and minuses to adjust it. And then the back portion here has bigger touch points, and this is where you would help to apply your skincare product. So the reasoning behind that is to, one, keep your hands out of the mix so you're not spreading the germs that could be on your hands all over your face. So you're just supposed to like rock it when you're putting on your skincare stuff, and it kind of massages your face while you're putting it on. So that's why it's a 3-in-1 device. The features of this item is it pulses 6,000 pulsations per minute. Again, it comes in the 5 colors, so if color is the thing for you, you can pick out your favorite one. It has 5 adjustable settings, so when you turn it on, you can do plus or minus to have the pulsation or the vibrating, the sonic portion of it change based on your needs. And then this really unique petal design. So that is one of my favorite things I would say about it is the petal design, because when you're massaging your face, not massaging, when you're cleansing your face, also when you're massaging, because it happens at the same time, you can get into these hard to reach areas. You can get on the top of your nose. You can get right in here between your brows. It just is really good at getting up in there, where I feel like with other devices that I've used, it's a little bit more difficult to get in there. So that is one of the things that I really like about it. And as you can see, you can get pretty close up into your eye. You don't really want to get too far into your eye, but if you turn the setting way down, you could use that to help, really press in your skincare using the backside. It is made from silicone, which is medical grade, and antimicrobial, bacterial, all that good stuff. So you're not having to worry about like which washcloths or manual cleansing brushes or brush heads needing to be replaced, because this is already going to be pretty sanitary. And then each Zoe has 2,000 touch points to help cleanse, massage, and exfoliate your skin. Going to the benefits of this product, it again reduces pores, is supposed to help reduce wrinkles, and it gently exfoliates your skin. I really like having a cleansing device just to make sure that my skin gets really, really clean. I do personally switch between using a cleansing device like Zoe, a Sonic brush, a manual brush, just depending on what my skin needs. This is really nice because it does do gentle cleansing, gentle exfoliation, so you're not having to worry about your skin overreacting to it, especially if you're sensitive. And a lot of times I just want something a little more gentler. My skin doesn't need as much exfoliation, so I don't want to use a harsh cleansing brush every day. So I like having the option of this. If you guys don't already have a cleansing device, or you do and you're thinking about making a switch, I would definitely recommend Zoe. Again, just for the design, I feel like it works really, really well at getting in all the nooks and crannies on your face, and especially around the nose, which is the area that most of us want to unclog our pores and make our pores shrink. And if you can't get in there with your cleansing device, you know, what good is it doing you? I just want to make it clear that they did send this to me. Any links below will not be affiliated. If I do use magic links, it is just kind of to track the traffic. So I hope you guys consider making a purchase from the company if you are looking for a cleansing device. And again, all the details, linking information will be in the description box, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks again so much for Qyk Sonic for sending me the product to try out, and give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you liked it and want to see more review videos. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!